Hello YouTube, this is Justin Game 44 here, and today I am here with a video, and this one's a very special one. I have waited 3 weeks for this, and actually it's a day early, so this is actually great. Today, ever since I ordered these things on Valentine's Day, and it took 3 weeks because they were pre-ordered, and I had to wait 3 weeks for this. But now they're finally here, and guess what it is? An opening a box video of solar cards. I love this show. It was a great YouTube channel. I got my nephew Brandon into it. I actually wanted these cards for a while, but I didn't think I was going to get them until, I decided, I actually want these cards. I thought they were amazing, so I decided to order them. So let's see what I got. I'm trying to open up the package, as you can see. It's actually very cool looking. I really love the box. And now, let's see here. Ugh. Sorry, it's kind of a bit hard to open the box. I thought this would just easily slip out. Dang, the video's already a minute long. Sorry, guys. Very sorry. Okay, let's see. Oh, dang. It's even in this. As you see, the first card we have is a sun card, obviously. Dang, these packages are a lot more hard. Okay, we got like an explaining card. A thank you card. Ooh, it has the signature. I like this one. I know they must be happy because now they can burn so much money. Just so you know, guys, that's a reference to one of their videos when they were making a joke about opening up their shop with the sun saying, "We're gonna burn so much money." I love this card. Anyway, we got this one, Venus, Earth, Mars, Pluto before 26, I mean. Dang, look at him. He's so happy to be a planet. Maki Maki. I love this one. Hamera. Ceres. Deimos. I mean, Domos. Or, you know what I mean. Vomos. Wait, whose planet is this? Huh. Oh, wait, that's one of Neptune's moons. I don't remember that name, though. Ari? Honestly, I gotta be honest, I sometimes don't remember these names, even when they're being spelled. I definitely like the way, how come they add the craters, though, with these eyes you see. I definitely love that detail, how come in solarballs they have, like, if there's, like, a crater on a certain planet or moon, they'll kind of add, like, a detail to it and, like, make it into, like, it's... Honestly, this just looks pretty cool to me. Another one of Neptune's moons. I like the background where it actually shows the planet they orbit around. Oh yeah, this is one of Jupiter's moons. Wait, or is that? Oh yeah, that is Jupiter's moon. Another one of Neptune's moons. I heard not all of Neptune's moons did become a card, but I love this one as well. Here's this. Personally, I'm not gonna lie. When it comes to Saturn, I personally love Tethys, although I don't think that became a solar ball card. I could be wrong though. Anyway, here's one. Wait a minute. Oh my! I love this card. Anyway, here's another one.
Right.
And here's one of the Nobbling cards. This one's actually interesting. And here's another one. I do like this one. It's alright. Sorry that there's some talking in the background, guys. It's just a busy household. And here's another one. The good thing is I have seen to learn how to open these cards better. Oh, I think this is the exact same copy. I could be wrong, but let's see. Let's see. Sorry, these cards are hard to open. When I first got these, they were all in one big box. I had to squeeze them to get out, and then they were covered in wrapper. I had to get the wrapper out, and this. And then the cards are even covered in wrapper. Like, they want to make sure these cards were well protected during the ship. Like, they were from another country when I ordered these. Let's see here. Sun, Mercury, Venus. 1 second. Okay, now. Huh. Yeah, these are all the same cards. This is basically for a second person's deck. Anyway. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, we do have the exact same Nobbly cards. Well, that's the thing. This is like just supposed to be the starter pack where basically you get the exact same cards for everyone. It gives you basically all the rocky planets, including Pluto, as a rocky planet. You get 3 dwarf planets, a lot of moons that are basically all the same, and the 4 same Nobbling cards, plus 2 extras here. A thank you card and a card how to do the directions. Anyway, time to open up the special package. I hope these ones don't have wrapping, so I don't have to reopen these up. I really hope they don't. Sorry about that. I'm having people just coming in and out. This really was not how I wanted the video to go. But I'm not remaking another video where I'm reacting to cards I already opened. So as you see, I got one of another Saturn's moons. I got another one of these. Another one of these. Another one of these. Well, I mean, technically, you know what I mean. I'm not really going to keep going saying all the names and everything. We got Luna. That's definitely nice. That's also a nice card. We definitely just been getting a lot of Saturns and Neptune's collections and... Oh. Ooh. We got Tethys. the moon I was saying earlier. That's very nice. Anyway, finally, let's get all of this. Anyway, we got Pluto. Another one of these. Technically, oh wait, no, that's a different crash. We also got this. This. We got like the Pluto. Oh, we got the Pluto before 2006. I mean, after 2006. Is that a dwarf planet? I love this one. Anyway, this, and this, and this. This was. Hold on a second. Sorry about that. I heard the TV was on in the background. I didn't know if that could be heard or anything. So yeah, I will admit, this was definitely an interesting card opening. I will admit, I am kind of a bit bummed out that I didn't got Thea, but I knew that was probably going to happen because I know Thea is a rare card. Or Planet X, but those were also rare cards as well. And I mean, honestly, that's just how it is. But I will say, I'm definitely proud of all the plans. I got basically all the plans I wanted. And it was definitely great to get them. Anyway, I just want everyone here to know, though, I will be making more, like... Sorry about that. I am really sorry that we keep getting these interruptions. The house is just normally busy and everything. Anyway, for real. To everyone here, I want to say thank you for being here. And just to let everyone know, I know this might not have been the idea for an opening box video, as believe me, I thought I could get a bit more quiet, but still. I'm definitely grateful for what I got for these cards. It's definitely amazing. And I also hope coming soon, because now that I got these solarballs cards, we're going to be playing solarballs cards on this channel. And maybe later down the road, I'll order more solarballs cards as well. So yeah, me and my nephew Brian will definitely be playing these. I hope you all definitely enjoy this video. And until then, this is Justin Game 44 signing out. Until then, I'll see you later. Bye!